3 mistakes I make every time while trading that makes me lose money. What's up guys, this is your man Tricky T, and I'm an artist who's currently trading forex, and the goal is to raise enough money to promote my music. And my goal for this year is $100,000. Come with me on this journey. Number 1, I hold my losses small and I cut my wins too early. That is, when I'm in a trade, the moment I see maybe I've made like $20 or $15 and the market is dancing somehow, I'll be like, you know what, rather than lose this money, let me just close out. So most times what happens is that I cut my profits too early, and then I hold my losses for too long. Like, you know, I'm losing, I'm like, no, let me just hold it a little bit, it will reverse. Before I know what's up, I've lost more money than I've made the entire week. Mistake number 2, and this one is just I don't know. I trade impulsively at times. Like, you know, maybe I'm in a trade and I've made money, and then hit my, maybe the trade has hit my take profits, you know, and then like it's still going. I'm like, you know what, I think it's going up, but let me just dive in and make a little more money. You see that mistake? I keep making it a lot. Impulse trading. I'll just drop in. Impulse trading. This mistake, I've lost money. And the third mistake I make, the third thing that, in fact, is catalyst for the other mistakes, is at times I do not use a stop loss. I know, we all know that it's basic. You should use a stop loss when trading. It's trading 101, you know, we all know this. But sometimes you'll be in a trade, you just be like, let me just leave stop loss open, you know, so that I'll just hold on a little bit, you know. You now hold on the loss a little bit. You're like, you know what, a little bit more, it will reverse. Then you keep losing, and before you know what's happening, you've lost more money than you've made the entire week. These 3 mistakes keep happening to me. Yeah, it keeps happening to me. Let me recap them again in case you're like me, or in case you are new to this forex thing, so you don't make the mistakes I'm making. Number 1 is holding your losses for too long. Number 2, impulse trading, just jumping in because you feel like market is going in your direction. And number 3, not using your stop loss. This is so basic, but hey, I'm a new trader on this journey, so I'm making these mistakes, and that's cost me money. Anyway, like I said earlier, I'm on a journey to making $100,000 this year, and the goal is to fund my music. You know, I'm an artist, and I hope you come with me. I hope you also have your own goals, and I hope at the end of the day, well, I know at the end of the day we'll get to our journey. So, peace, keep trading, live free, live your dreams, and I'll see you in the next video. One love.